To open the filler port, you're gonna need a 10mm wrench or spanner to open the bolt that sort of fixes the, I don't know whether you can see my spanner there. To open that, so right here, to open the bolt that holds the cork in place. So let's do that. So you can see that and it's a good idea to, of course, always open the filler port first before you open the drain cork. But in my case, the filler port was not that tight because it's just a bolt that holds this plastic this is a plastic thing that have a rubber cork that goes into the port. So in my case, it was not that tight. The drain cork is the one that was a bit tight. I think I've loosened it enough to open with hand now. Yeah, it's opening with the hand. So this is the bolt that holds the cork. So now you're gonna need a flat screwdriver to pry the cork itself out. So I don't know whether you can see. Yeah, so you sort of wiggle it until it comes off, and that's how the cork looks like. So you can see where I'm holding is where the bolt was to hold the cork, the filler port cork in place. And now I don't know whether you can see the small hole down there. That's the filler port. So let's open the drain cork.